Used to want people to love me, so I learned how to sing. Then I thought I wanted money, so I could buy a nice thing. And when I found it, was as empty as could be. And now I'm staring at my face above a bathroom sink, saying I want peace, it's where I am now. It's the only...
Hi guys, Amber from Family Life. Thanks so much for tuning in. I just wanted to kind of take this week and introduce you to our new puppy, Thor. He's not really new. He's been with our family for a little better part of a year. But Thor came to us out of a bit of a sad situation. I was first introduced to Fern Levitt, who is a film producer out of Toronto. Fern came to us asking whether or not we would be interested in adopting a Husky puppy since she knew that we had already had Sky, and she was in the process of trying to rehome almost 300 Huskies. So I'll share more of that at the end of this video, so stay tuned. Thor came to our video last week and decided that he and Sky were going to be very vocal, and you heard them in my video. So I just thought I'd take this chance of this week to introduce you to Thor and just a little bit more about who he is and how he kind of fits into our family now.
To figure out how sled dogs spend their days, he says he found roughly 2,000 dogs tied to metal chains with nowhere to go, exhibiting troubling repetitive behavior.
And from above, you can see all those little circles. And all these circles are dogs just going around and around nonstop.
One of those sites surveyed near Quebec City had something worse on the ground. In February 2020, there was talk of a homemade gas chamber reportedly used to kill sled dogs.
I had to find out if this was true.
Fern Levitt is an animal activist and filmmaker who was first tipped off by a former employee.
And so what happened is he wrote a very detailed report to the SPCA in Quebec and to the Ministry of Agriculture, who are supposed to be doing investigations if there are concerns about dog abuse. And they didn't do anything.
The Quebec government and local SPCA would neither confirm nor deny if they investigated this claim. Fern decided to look into it herself. The employee drew her a map to Expedition Milou near Quebec, showing her exactly where to go in the dark.
And we drove from Toronto to Quebec and went inside.
What she found and photographed in February of 2020 shocked her.
When you see slow
It's an early one and a cold one. We've got our little man here. We are on our way to the vet hospital right now just to get him neutered today. So he doesn't know where he's going. It is a cold one. I am positive spring is coming at some point. We will not surrender to this perpetual winter. It has been teasing us with some beautiful days, but man, it's still cold out here this morning. Anyways, I thought today that I would, we are here almost a full year with this little pup. He came to our home on April 3rd of 2022. So he has been with us for almost a full year. And so I thought I would take this opportunity kind of to show you a little bit of Thor and how he came to be with our family and how he's just such a little gentleman. Okay guys, hello. The kids have gone to pick up a new addition to our family. We are going to be the adoptive parents to a new Husky rescue. Yeah, so we're really excited. I've been processing some emotions and some feelings all afternoon, missing my little Charlie bear, but this is going to be exciting. Eli is so excited to bring in another puppy for Sky. She really missed Charlie, having the companionship of another pup. So this wee man is coming to us from a place, I don't know exactly the full story, but from a place out of Quebec that was needing to rehome a lot of Huskies. And this little guy is coming to us, never been in the house before. Walter! Do we have a new friend?
I know for a fact he's gonna love that little shag carpet.
Hey, little man, who's this?
He's not shy.
Are we allowed to call him Thor?
I know,
Does he look like a Thor? I don't think he looks like a Thor.
Hi, baby. Hi.
Sweet too. That's too.
Thor. Zeus. Oh.
Oh, hello. Hello.
Oh, Walter's like,
He's almost as big as Walter already.
oh, she's like, I hear my people.
You can't go down there, Mr. Man.
Look at him. He totally knows that that's a.
Go on. Go on.
Come here.
That's all he's ever been around is the Huskies, right? So that's all he knows.
Oh, he knows. He knows.
Howling to her.
He goes, that's my sister. I know that's my people.
Hello, puppy.
So even the ride home was luxury for him.
Hello. Because he has. Why?
What is that?
Totally neglected. Was he? Oh.
He's never had water, so he's just like.
But like she said, you'll have to kind of show him that there is water because she's not used to ever
Having it available to him.
Walter doesn't like water either.
There's your big brother. Let's go see the.
We're gonna go see the doctor about your worms.
We're gonna go see the doggy doctor.
He's like, I don't want to go.
Yeah.
You guys go, I'll wait here. Is she okay with me going in or no?
I think so.
You can ask her.
Okay.
Hi, Thor. Hi. Is he love to have cookies?
Yes.
Okay, that might make his experience. Hi. Oh, do you like cookies? Oh, he's beautiful.
Isn't he gorgeous? We just realized we took a picture of him earlier today. He's got a maple leaf on his face.
Is he really?
Yeah.
Do you like that cookie? Oh, it's so yummy.
He's a pretty social puppy for being
I'm hoping.
having a rough start to life. He's pretty.
It's a nasty little thing.
I know.
Hi, baby. We got 300 dogs.
Yeah, over 300. She brought 56 back for us today. I believe she had most of those renamed.
How did she transport them?
With a big truck and trailer. So he probably just needs a good bath. And,
I think a good bath and a good grooming because we've never had one
yeah.
of those in his life.
And all this fur is going to fall out anyways.
Yeah,
It's all
and
just baby
so a
fur.
lot of times they are underneath. Alright, okay, so I will go adoption over.
This must be Thor.
Yes.
Hello, you're very cute. So I understand we were rescued from a bad situation,
Yes.
right? Yeah, that everything looks okay for him. Can you see your ears? Oh, those are nice ears, huh? Those are beautiful eyes. Oh my goodness. Check your teeth. Check your teeth. Ready? Oh, good boy.
You can go sit down beside Daddy if you want. Awesome.
All right.
All right, well,
See if I get him leashed up.
look at him.
Go, Mitch man.
Till the glory comes. Wait for the morning make a bowl.
Okay, everyone, this is Thor's very first bath.
Are you gonna put him in?
Yep.
Okay.
Come here. You ready? Okay.
Any
Good boy, Thor.
Boy, oh yes.
Oh, it's immediately warm on his face.
That's okay.
Come here.
You do most. I'll sit here and cuddle him, and then we'll do his face at the end. Well, he's got a lot of dirties on his face, and we have to wash it.
feeble easy as you see her sinking from shore. So wait for the morning flood. Wait.
You are not impressed, are you, Bubba? But you look so handsome now.
Can you hold him? I need to get under his neck.
It's like, I'm out of here.
Oh.
You got a receipt. A Walmart receipt. Now I'm gonna eat some kibble.
Oh, you worked up an appetite.
Oh, sit. Good boy. Here you go. I already taught him how to sit.
Good boy.
Wait for the morning. In May, in a warm say, how it's
Can you get up? Can you get up with your big old phone there? Come here, mister. Come here. No, mommy gonna help you. Okay, oh, yes. Okay, now lay down. On the bed. Lay down. Do, baby. Okay, guys, as I had mentioned earlier in the video, we first got introduced to Thor through Fern. God. He's parking the hog for the night. Oh my gosh. I don't think anybody walks around here these days. They have to have some sort of two-wheeled or four-wheeled beast driving them around. Anyways, I just wanted to share that Fern, we were first introduced to Fern and her story and her beautiful documentary that she had made called Sled Dogs. I'm going to leave the link below. It is a documentary on the Iditarod. It's where the mushers and the dogs and veterinarians and everything come together and celebrate the athleticism of an extreme sport. There's a lot of mileage covered. I believe it's 1,050 miles of harsh terrain. It's a pretty harsh race through some extreme conditions. And her documentary really shed some light on the sled dog industry. And then that had brought them to reaching out to Fern regarding a issue with regards to a sled dog situation that was in Quebec, and this is where Thor came from, was from that rescue effort. Fern, there was a W5 episode following Fern and her heroic efforts to try to get some justice for some of these dogs. And yeah, so Thor is one of those rescues from the Milut group in Quebec, And I will again leave that link in the description below, that ended up rescuing 300 Huskies. So she helped rehome over 300 Huskies, and Thor was one of those Huskies. And we were very, very thrilled to be introduced to him. And as a result, it's very hard work that she does, and it's not overly rewarding very often. So she's been following Eli and Thor for a little while, and they want to come and talk about the connection between Eli and his new puppy, and also to just the happy ending of this story and of the situation. So that's where Thor comes in, and he is a happy ending, and he's such a gem to our family, and we're so happy that we get to have him. And we understand that while not all of them ended this way, it certainly brings awareness to the situation. I am going to leave the links to the documentary and to the W5 episode of the rescue, but I did want to preface it and caution, it is a pretty gruesome and a very disturbing video, so it may not be for everybody. And I just kind of wanted to preface that it is a sad video, so it's just kind of highlighting where Thor came from and the group that was ultimately shut down for their inhumane practices for caring for the dogs. So anyways, I just kind of wanted to share that just if you do choose to watch the link of the W5 series, the Sled Dog series is actually quite good, but the W5 one is a little bit more disturbing. So anyways, I just caution you. Anyways, guys, thanks so much for hanging out, and until next time, stay safe and keep living.
Get it. He's pulling Thor across the floor. Get him on team. Get that door. Oh, Thor let go.
Still to break of day. All you weeping, feeble easy. When you see the feeling you swore. Wait for the morning flood. Wait till the glory comes. Wait for the